We're heading out for an overnighter in the forest. It'll just be me and the puppy there. So we'll get back to you once we get on the freeway or off the freeway and into the forest. But you don't have the zoomies now? No? Okay. Had it on time lapse and he had a total case of the zoomies. Tried to get it on tape. Nope. Hopefully it's picking it up. But they're moving a whole herd of sheep down there. Complete with cattle dogs. Which is why Kenai is barking. Oh, I really hope this is picking up. I've seen lots of things out here, but never a sheep drive. And then as my dog's going nuts, these two show up out of the blue, coming out of the frickin' forest somewhere. And I saw another white dog over that way. Looks like there's no people. They had collars. One of us is taking one of us for a walk. Not sure which is which. Normally a place like this I'd have him off leash, but about an hour ago had a couple of very large white dogs just come charging out of the forest. Kind of scared the crap out of both of us. You're a vicious little shit. Tell you, this dog's touched. So, brought the dog on an e-bike. Figured I'd be able to get some footage on that, wear out the dog. And every time I turn it on, I'm getting an error code. Well, nothing special for dinner tonight. Just gonna do some burger patties. I think the same dinner I did last time I was solo camping. And some sauteed onion, avocado. Some good grass-fed hamburger patties. This is not a cheese knife in any way, shape, or form. And yes, I know there is a medical term called avocado hand from slicing avocados with a sharp knife. Okay, it's time to show off. No. Good boy. All the way down. Good boy. Up. High five. All right. Sit. There you go. Oh, such a good boy. Shake. Other paw. There you go. Ah, okay. I like Pepper. Oh, yeah. Oh, those are warm. Some homemade Thousand Island dressing. Guess I could put a little on a salad too. Well, I'm going to eat my dinner now and let Kenai's burger cook. Cooking Kenai's patty. Got mine here, along with the salad, with the homemade Thousand Island. Good stuff. Your burger's cooking. Yeah. Oh, Lordy. Funny how you want to cuddle when I have dinner. Yeah. Come here. Good boy. Release. There you go. So I think I'm going to enjoy the fire a little bit, finish my drink, maybe grab my Kindle, read a little bit, and just relax. Dinner was great, but I've got to remember those are 30-pound patties and not make 2 of them next time. Because, yeah, that was a lot. But it was good. Kenai liked his burger. Whoa, dude. You are dangerous. You are totally dangerous with that thing. So we bought this little red campfire almost 10 years ago. Maybe 9.5. But yeah, when I bought it, I liked it because it was all self-contained, short of the propane tank, of course. But the hose wraps up, everything's in its little container. Puts out a lot of heat. I've also got a grill that goes over it so we can cook on it. It was relatively inexpensive back then. But the one review said that, actually a few of the reviews, said that the logs would break. They're very fragile and they would break, and then you have to get like lava rock and put in it. This thing has been through a lot. It's been in the back of the Jeep, on some incredible Jeep trails, way before we had the channel. And that thing just keeps plugging along. It's not broken. I need to go do an updated review, 9 years later, 10 years later. But, great little campfire. Especially, when there's a fire ban. Earlier today, I would have put money that I would have been having thunderstorms this afternoon. But all is good. Yep. It's playtime, Dad, not bedtime. This little monster. Yeah. You're cute, but you're a monster. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Huh? Yeah. Oh, good morning. This is my bright-eyed, cheery morning face when the dog wakes you up with a face in your face. Anyhow, yeah. Gonna make some coffee. Yeah, and then I'll think about stuff. Now we'll give that a little bit of time. And I might regain some of my sanity. Then the magic starts. Start to finish under 10 minutes. Good old percolator, once it starts going, takes 10 minutes. Sorry to see this morning face, but oh yes, that'll make up for the dog keeping me awake all night. No, it won't, but not too bad a view out the window of the camper. 45, it's fairly warm. What are we growling at, huh? Need coffee. There's a stump over there that looks just like an animal. I'm pretty sure it's a stump because it hasn't moved. I'll go grab my Nikon with the telephoto and see what it is. So that noise in the background, aside from the dog, is we're camped by a lake. Can't see it from our campsite, but it's maybe 2/10 of a mile away. And there's a float plane that keeps flying around the valley and landing and taking off in the lake. And you, young man, shut up. And yes, I've got another pot of coffee brewing because, yeah. Well, the bacon is about done. So I turned the bike on this morning. Worked perfectly. So we went for a ride. I rode about 1.5 miles. I think Kenai ran at least 2 miles, if not more. And he had an absolute blast. God, I wish I could have done this last night so he would have slept. Dog's fast. So yeah, just sitting out here, taking a break during pack up. Looked up, watched a pair of eagles floating overhead. They were through the trees, so I didn't even try to get them on tape. But I am so thankful that I live in a place where this is my backyard. This is literally 25 miles from my driveway, and that's taken a long way. It's taking the freeway down and coming in on the paved road. If I took the dirt road in, it'd be about 13 miles, but probably take me 3 times as long in this truck, because that road is bumpy. But yeah, just had a couple of motorcycles drive by. It's the first people since I got here yesterday that have come by this road. And they were super cool. They saw me camping here, slowed down. So kind of restores your faith. We've been dusted out so many times by side-by-sides on these dirt roads. Anyhow, I guess I should probably get busy and get packed up and head on out of here. Today's Friday, so it's only going to get more crowded. I love my forest, but not on the weekends. And on that happy note, we are going to call this a done video. Yeah, we just took a little side trip over the dam at Boca. Now we're heading back out to the main road. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching, especially if you've lasted this long. Please give us a like, give us a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. We're really hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers here pretty soon, so it would really help us out. Well, thank you very much.